Welcome back to Trade Pro FX. Today is another amazing video, and today I want to show you how a small account like 0.666 USD can you can flip it to something better. So it's very possible. Let's say either you have withdrawn and you have remained with something small, and then it is on the below 1 USD. Just convert that to MT5, then go to the market itself, that is the MT5 of trading deriv, and with that small 0 point something USD, you can execute some markets like volatility 101s. So you can execute trades, so it will be able to pick trades. So those asking, can I flip a small account? It's usually possible. Or anyone you see on the social media, and then express in maybe trading using the broker, which is deriv, and then flipping a very small account which is not that imaginable. So it's very possible you can flip something to somewhere. So when you can see the volatility markets here, so you'll just click on the quotes section. Then after you click on the quotes section, you can then add the market that you want by just searching it on the tabs, and then you can add any market that you want. So here you can see we cannot see the volatility 101s. So you'll just write the volatility 101s so that it appears, and then you can execute your trade. So you can see all the markets are here, be8 step indexes, but some of the markets you cannot able to trade using a small account like that one. But for the volatility 101s, you can able to execute trade. So you'll just write volatility 101s. So let me just repeat again. So you just go to this area here on the search symbol, and then you copy, and you just search volatility 101s, and then you can see it here. Then you'll click that plus sign so that the market can get highlighted, and then you can see we have it here. So you'll just go to volatility 100, go to the chart, and then if maybe you have analyzed the market, you can execute a trade. So you can see it's 0.66. So let's say I want to just buy them when the market is moving up or down. So let's see here. So let's enter here on a buy market. We can see the market how it's going. So if maybe you want to add some indicators, let's add some indicators like Bollinger Bands, so that we can not just not guess. But despite I've not done any analysis, but I just want to show you so that we don't blow the account now. So let's just use some creativity here. So Bollinger Bands, and then we observe where the direction of the market is going. So you just click indicators and click Bollinger Bands as I've done. So okay, you can see it is loading, so that we can able to see that's our Bollinger Bands showing us the market is almost below. So let's just go to the chart section again. Okay, we have added more than two, so you will remove one by clicking the X on the edge, so that you can remove one Bollinger Band. So you can see we have added only two of them, so you need to remove one of it so that you can be left with one which is readable, what is being seen. So from there you can execute a trade. So you can see the minimum is being required is only 0.2. Then I've entered a sell before that candlestick ends. So you can see it starts showing you the profits immediately, and you can already see on the volatility 101s, and that's how you can flip an account very simply by having a small account, as small as the account of 0.0 something, and then you can accept by removing. You can close the account like this. So you just click close, and then you can check on the history, and you will see the account has already gone up. So Bollinger Bands already has shown us that the market was nearly to a closure. So let's then add it again. So let me just check another entry there so that I can show you. So basically I'm just illustrating to you how you can play along. Then you can also change the settings of any indicator from here, like that I've changed to exponential moving average. page, and then you can click just and indicator, and then you can see the market has been moving. Now it has already reached to the lower point, so you can now enter a buy move here. And this is just for illustration. It is not a strategy. I'm just trying to avoid any loss. So because of I'm entering a buy because it has reached to that order block here, on that red long candlestick there, which is very opposite from the other two green candlesticks. That's why I want to enter a buy here. So let's click buy before the market goes so much. So you'll just go to the chart and then you click on top there on where you can buy the market. So it's just an illustration that any account can be flipped despite small as it is. So it doesn't have to give you a problem. I normally see most of you deposit maybe something, you can see we have bought there, so we wait for some profits, we get into profits, you keep scalping, you can grow this 0.66 to almost also the 200 and USD. Very simple. So let's wait for the market. We can see it's trying to push, the sellers are coming into the market, but we want we want it to shoot maybe buyers as strong as they will come to the market and push the market up, because we were already on the oversold area. So let's keep waiting and see. But basically this is how most of the people you see flipping an account, they just do by keeping on scalping. You scalp a bit by a smaller bit, and then you'll find yourself somewhere. So you can see the account is almost half gone, but I know it was a buy, so because of that order broke, so it gives me no issues, but to wait until it surpasses the top part, and then we can cross the market, because I'm just doing random analyzing just to show you that it's possible to grow an account as smallest as it is. Let's look at the 5 minutes. As you can see, and you can see there is an order block there, and the market is trying to push up so that we can go, because we are already close to the oversold area. So you can try also, never just assume, or maybe if you have been left with some USDs on your account, and then you feel so heartbroken, or maybe you have withdrawn, you have grown, and then you have a very small USD, just try to convert them, convert them to MT5 and try to flip that account to a bigger account, and then you will thank me later, because most of the probability, if you know how to analyze the market, and you already know whether the market will go up or down, that is definitely a win, because obviously remember this one is calculated by the lot sizes that you use. So let's say to begin with a small account, just use like as I've done, and then you can see the market has pushed up and it will keep going up. Let me just go back to close that account. So you can see if you had lost hope, you would have failed that. So you cross and you keep pushing the market by scalping in that manner. So let me show you how you can convert the how you do convert the USD to MT5. So very fast, let's go to derive. Very fast, let's see how you do it. So you just log into the Riv platform very fast. As you can see, let me show you. So you can see our 0.97 USD until there. So you click on the CFDs, and then you can click transfer, and then if I want to change from these MT5 to USD, where I can trade using the digits, I just put the whole amount and click transfer, and you can see it says good. And then the same case, if you want to return it, you'll just click on the CFDs and then click transfer. You remove the USD and transfer it to MT5. It's this simple. So just try. Maybe if you have withdrawn and have some USD and you know how to analyze, you can do this. You can also trade and put them on the C trader or the MT5 like I've done. So that is it. Let's like and subscribe. Bye bye.